Welcome to this 3-bedroom townhouse for sale in Hibadon, KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa for R985,000. Price reduced. Don't be fooled by the name of the complex, it's not a caravan park. It's an amazing 3-bedroom townhouse situated in a lovely complex. Walking distance to the Blue Flag beach and all amenities. This home offers 2 bedrooms in the main area upstairs, separate downstairs bedroom with own bathroom. Spacious front veranda with built-in braai for privacy and entertainment overlooking the ocean and lagoon. Covered parking for 2 vehicles. The cherry on the cake is, all the furniture is included, so you can just move in and enjoy the lovely sunny warm south coast. Call me now, do not miss out on this amazing deal. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.